Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox app games not downloading and installing. First, search for run. Let's open it up and we type in wsreset.exe. Click on OK and it will then automatically open the Microsoft Store. Let's close this one and check Xbox again if the problem has been solved. If not, let's go to settings, go to apps and make sure that you are in the installed apps. In here, we'll look for Xbox or we can search for it, select it, and go to advanced options. From here, we scroll down and under the reset section, click on repair first. And once that is done, click on reset right here and reset once again. After that, you can go ahead and open up Xbox and check if you can now download games. If not, let's search for control panel, open it up, and at the top right, make sure that you set it to view by large icons. And let's click on network and sharing center. Go to change adapter settings from the options at the left and select the network connection that you're currently connected to. Right click on it and go to properties. In here, if Internet Protocol version 6 is currently checked like this, click on the checkbox to uncheck it and click on OK and see if that solves your problem. If not, the last way would be to search for CMD. Right click on it and run it as administrator. Click on yes and we are going to type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will scan your core system files and just wait for it to be completed. And once it is done, restart your computer and that should solve the Xbox issue. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.